Hey guys, it's Grace Hernandez, and I have my nephew here, Nicholas. And today I'm going to be doing the Windy Day hair lesson. And it's incorporating science and reading together. My hopes is in science we would be learning about how wind and weather affects our daily life. And I would incorporate this cute read aloud that I found online called Windy Day. You draw a picture and you put some paint on it, and then you just blow with a straw, and it kind of shows you how wind works in a cool way. This would be for first graders, and our supplies is 2 straws, 1 for each, no sharing. 2 pieces of paper. We're gonna draw our own heads, our little silly faces. You can print them out for students who don't want to draw their own. 2 pencils. I have our paints here. You also need droppers, but I don't have any, so I use some straws and just gonna go like that and do that. So we don't ruin the table, we're using these frozen pizza boxes. He's gonna watch me do it first, and then he's gonna try it on his own. Okay? Okay. So, first we're going to draw our silly face. I'm going to draw a big circle. What do we need on our head?
Face.
What's on our face?
Eyes.
Some eyes? How many?
2.
2. Okay. What else do we need?
Mouth.
A mouth?
Yes.
Smiley face?
Yes.
Okay. Can I draw a tongue?
Yes.
Okay. What else do we need?
A nose.
A nose?
Yes.
What else?
Hair.
Well, we're going to make our hair. So, our point
Ears.
is we're going to be creating windy hair. Ears? How many?
2.
Okay, I'm going to draw some little eyelashes.
Pupils.
Oh, yeah. Does that look good? Okay.
Is it supposed to be a boy or a girl?
I don't know. We will see. So this is my head. I don't know if you guys could see it. So next, we are going to take out our straw out of the wrapper. For kids, I might cut these in half. I'm going to drop this nice, cool, what would you call this color? Turquoise?
Yeah.
I guess. I don't know. Blue, green color. I'm going to drop it. I don't know if you guys can see in the video. I'm going to just drop it in one spot. And I'm going to blow on it. Are you watching it?
What?
Because the wind is like air blowing, right?
Yeah.
So with our straws, we're basically creating wind.
Oh.
And we're creating windy hair. And then I'm going to put some purple right there. I'm going to have all kinds of hair. And then I'm going to blow it. You can blow it in many directions. And if you want to mix some colors, what color should I mix? I'm going to mix this with red. Okay? So I'm going to put them together. Whoa. So I mix those 2 colors together. I'm going to blow it.
What the? I messed it up.
It's okay. It looks good.
I don't know what I just did.
It's a silly face.
Can I give him a double chin?
You can do whatever you want. Okay, ears. Whoa.
Yeah, he's a monkey.
He must be able to really hear well. Okay, so now what do we do?
We get this thing.
We drop some paint onto it?
Yeah.
Okay. Right here, closer to the head.
Up.
That's okay. Okay, now what do we use the straws for?
We blow
And what does that create?
wind.
wind. So what are we making?
Messy hair.
Windy, messy hair. Good job. Okay. Whoa!
Mine's gonna look so good.
I love it.
What?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs
Good.
up.